Hello dear students. So today in Max we are going to learn about the lesson that is heavy and light. Children, have you ever thought why some objects can be easily lifted while some cannot? Well, this is because different objects have different weight. When we classify objects based on their weight, we get heavy and light object. Now children, what do we mean by heavy? An object which is more in weight is called heavy. And what do we mean by light? An object which is less in weight is called light. So heavy means an object which is more in weight. Okay? जिसका वजन ज़्यादा होता है, जिस ऑब्जेक्ट का वजन ज़्यादा होगा उसे हम हेवी कहते हैं और जिस ऑब्जेक्ट का वजन कम होगा उसे हम लाइट कहेंगे. So an object which is more in weight is called heavy, an object which is less in weight is called light. So look at this stone over here and a feather. Okay. So now this stone, it is heavy, okay, whereas this feather is light. Okay, so the stone is heavy and the feather is light in weight. Here you can see a watermelon and a strawberry. So this watermelon is heavy while this strawberry is light. Look at one more example. Now here is a football and a balloon. So a football is heavy but a balloon is light in weight. Now children, when we measure or compare the weight of two objects, we use the terms heavier and lighter. Now what do we have here? Yes, we have a pumpkin and a tomato. Do you think there is a difference in their weight? Yes children, the weight of a pumpkin is more than the weight of a tomato. Therefore, the pumpkin is heavier than the tomato. Or we can also say that the weight of the tomato is less than the weight of the pumpkin. Therefore, the tomato will be lighter than the pumpkin. So, pumpkin is heavier than the tomato and tomato is lighter than the pumpkin. Now let's take another example. So children, what do we can see here? Yes. Here we have a pencil and a pencil box. Do you think there is a difference in their weight? Yes children, the weight of a pencil is less than the weight of a pencil box. Therefore, the pencil is lighter than the pencil box. Or we can also say that the weight of the pencil box is more than the weight of the pencil. Therefore, the pencil box will be heavier than the pencil. So the pencil box is heavier than the pencil and the pencil is lighter than the pencil box. Now let's see next example. Yes. Now here we can see a bottle of ketchup and a newspaper. Now children, tell me which one is heavier and which one is lighter? Yes. Do you think there is a difference in their weight? Yes children. The weight of a ketchup bottle is more than the weight of the newspaper. So therefore, the ketchup bottle is heavier than the newspaper. Or we can also say that the weight of the newspaper is less than the weight of the ketchup bottle. So, therefore, the newspaper is lighter than the ketchup bottle. So, the ketchup bottle is heavier than the newspaper and the newspaper is lighter than the ketchup bottle. Let us see one more example. So, here you can see a pillow and a brick. Okay. So, now tell me children, which one is lighter and which one is heavier? Yes, very good. Pillow is lighter than the brick and the brick is heavier than the pillow because the weight of the pillow is less than the brick. So, pillow is lighter. But the weight of the brick is heavier than the pillow, is more than the pillow. So, the brick is heavier than the pillow. So, brick is heavier than the pillow and pillow is lighter than the brick. Okay children. So, I hope you all understood this concept and also enjoyed this lesson. That's all for today. Thank you children.